Did you get it working?
Well, kind of. Okay, I had to go into a meeting. That's why I didn't call you right back.
Is what's her name on the phone with you?
Well, she's sitting in the office.
I mean, could you hear me?
Yeah.
Because what I think you should do is that both of you, I should show you guys someday how to do this, and maybe between the two of you could remember. Now, here's what you do. You got the thing in front of you? Okay. Coming in, sound coming in,
okay,
is what half of this machine does. But physically, all of the knobs are, not all of them, but primarily it's telling you how to do it on the way out. And only on the way out are there double button use.
Well, no, here was my problem. And
No, just let me tell you this. You don't think of it this way.
All right.
Only on the way out is there double times when one button has two functions. But on the way in, it only has one function. It only does one thing.
Right, so I put the slider knobs all the way down. I'm only using the EQ buttons. Now, here's my question.
Why did you ask about EQ? What the hell?
Oh.
That has nothing to do with anything.
No, it's trim knobs. Trim knobs. It just is labeled EQ gain underneath it, so, but that's the trim knob.
Well, trim is the gain. That is the gain knob.
Yeah, well, that's what they were calling it.
Okay, but you're talking about the top.
Right.
Okay, now, when you plug the thing in, when you plug the microphone in, did you get it coming out of your preamp? Because all the preamp does is give you more power.
Okay, so it's in the input part of the preamp.
Yeah, and it's then coming back out and you plug it into
the mic. It's into the microphone.
Wait, whoa, that's not, you're talking backwards. Follow the sound down. The microphone is in your hand.
Right.
Wire coming out of that. That wire is going into
right.
the preamp. All the preamp does is give you power. That's all it does. Don't get into the atomic theory of this crap. Now, it comes out of that and goes into input one, okay? Input one.
No, but it does not. That's not where it goes. I have a yellow cord now that is output, and it's in the output thing of the preamp, and now it's going into input one.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, okay.
We're past the preamp, and the preamp doesn't do anything but boost your power.
Okay.
That's all it does. Now, you have a quarter inch. You don't have the big hooker upper. You got the quarter inch going in it, right?
Whatever fits, yeah. It's right.
Okay. You got it in there. Okay, now stay with me, guys. Stay with me, because this is where it gets real simple, and here's where you always get screwed up. Now, you're in one. Everything I'm talking about now is in column one.
Right.
Okay? All you're wanting to do is to put that sound onto your hard drive in the machine. That's it. That's all this machine can do. That's all the machine is going to do. This machine now is nothing but a tape recorder. You go over and you do the functions, and I'm going to go through the functions now, but don't forget what I'm telling you.
All right.
Coming in is all this machine does. You then turn the machine on, obviously, if you've done this, and you got you're selected, you got your thing up, and you've opened the column one up, okay? You've got column one, it's turned on, and you
it's
know...
got the red button.
Huh?
The red light is lit up.
Well,
okay.
it's making a difference what color lights are right now, but you've got the machine working. The machine is working.
All right.
If you agree.
Yes.
If I hit something now that says, no, I don't even have the machine turned on yet. So you've got the machine working. As of now, the machine, forget all the rest of this crap, is nothing but a tape recorder.
All right.
That's all it does, okay? You now turn the thing on, and the only button that has any function is the trim. Trim is your volume control. It's everything. It's allowing the sound that's coming out of your machine, out of the preamp and all that bullshit. The hell with that crap. Okay, now we have the trim going. All the other buttons, I'm talking sliders, every other damn thing on this thing does not have any function. If it's moving up and down, it's putting sound into your machine.
Okay.
That's it. If that's showing, you got sound into the machine.
Okay.
Now stop right there. Sound into the machine. It's working. You've got your sound from the microphone, from your voice, down through the lines, down to the thing. It's in the machine. Now what you want to do is you want to capture it.
Okay.
But that's in the machine. So don't ask any more questions and buttons and bullshit. It's done. Now don't rush off. I don't know where the you people are going, but slow the hell down. Okay, now you have now got that captured inside the machine. It's captured. If you saw it there, you press the button, you press stop, and it's stopped, okay? You then pull the stop key and you go to REW, rewind, and that puts you back to zero. Okay.
All right.
Now we're done with capturing. Now the machine, it becomes a mixer. It now becomes a mixer.
Got it.
It has absolutely nothing to do with capturing. Unless you go up and say, I want to erase this or whatever the word is for it. It's not called erase, it's called...
delete or something. Well, okay, delete.
Unless you say the word delete and go through that ritual with the delete, that damn thing is in your machine. Okay, so that's there. Now the whole machine is a mixer.
Okay.
Now is when the buttons have 2 and 3 different functions.
Okay, yeah, and this is the part that I can't remember.
Okay, now stay with me. Now this is going to confuse the hell out of you people when I'm talking about this on the phone, which I hate, but it's going to, I got to say this. You have 8 outlets. 8 outlets. You have 8 inputs. You have 8 outlets. If you want to go to each one of these outputs going back into, which you don't have and you don't do, so you don't, I've never told you about this, but now this is how you dig with shit.
Okay.
Now you have 8 damn things that would go into a mixer so that you could mix it and stay with me. You don't care about that. You are going to come down and press a button that is called output assign. Press that and return all these buttons. These holes are on. They're all on.
Oh, so it's not mixing until I do output assign?
Well, without output assign, the only ones that are on are 1 and 2.
All right, okay, got it. Okay.
Now you have them both on.
All right, okay.
Okay. Now they have. Now you're done with that. When you're coming out of it, now I'm done with it there at the top. You can put your tell me what color your wires are. So I can. What wire now you want to go to the fender?
Orange and gray.
Okay, orange and gray. You have 2 wires going to the fender.
No, 2 wires going to the board, left and right.
But you have 1 wire stuck into the fender.
Correct.
Okay. So what's the first color?
Orange.
Okay, I'm just going to call it orange. I can't remember all this crap here. So, but orange and gray. You got orange and gray. You put that into the monitor. But because you have it into output assigned with the light showing, you see along the side there it says it's monitor dash master.
Right.
Some are on.
Right.
Okay. Now you're on. Okay. Now you're on. So don't touch anything. Just plug the thing in. You plug the outgo that goes to the fender into the thing that should, I don't know what the hell it's called. It's for guitar. You plug it in and you hear it. Well, you can't screw up anything. It doesn't make a shit. This is where your sounds are, but they have nothing to do with stuff up. Technical term that's in the manual. Nothing to do with that. But if you got the fender turned off, you don't hear shit. I go to everything or nothing.
All right.
I either have the sucker turned on or I have it turned off.
Okay.
Once you got it in there, if it's in there right and it doesn't leave the damn board, you know what I'm saying? Then you have no. What difference does it make? What you listen to is irrelevant. It means zero.
Okay.
It only you got it in the machine. You got it in the machine. Now, if you want to hear it, what you have in the machine. Now follow this, both of you. Damn it, listen to this. If you want to see what you only have in the machine, and no touching stuff, no picking anything, you press that output assign button to individual. You understand that, huh?
Yeah, I'll play
You don't.
with that.
You can push sliders all day. You can do anything. It doesn't make a shit. That's coming in there because I never explained this to you because this is something you cannot do down there because it doesn't make a shit.
Oh.
You understand it?
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
Now we're coming back to the reality of the thing. Now we're coming down here. Now we want to hear the damn. Is then what you hear is, now here's the magic word for the first time, you're mixing. If you put two of them together, if you added something to it, if you wanted to come down and put reverb on it, and blah, 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 and on and on and on and on and on and on. But you're telling me I don't want to do that. I just want to get my dry stuff into the computer. Do you understand this? Did the other lady with you there, have you seen it?
That's Robin.
Robin, do you understand it?
Right.
Forget all these other buttons and crap that's on it. It's a tape recorder.
Okay.
Didn't capture it. There's nothing to dick with. Who the hell needs that?
I'm going to hang up now.
Then don't dick with any of this crap. Well, if you have problems, I'm going to be going. I'm going to the store and stuff and get your laundry and whatever.
Okay.
So
All right. Thanks.
I'll call you back. Leave a message on the machine. But
Well, I'm not going to call you back unless I've got some problems with this.
yeah, if it doesn't work, then I went through the whole damn thing.
No,
with,
you did.
This is it's that simple. Once you got the feel for the machine, this is a very, very easy machine to run. Over.
Okay.
I'm not talking. It's over. Over and out, guys.
All right.
Have a good day. I hate the phone. I don't like doing this crap on the phone. I will come down there and show you any day of the week, 5 days a week, rather than talk this shit on the phone. I hate the phone. 10-4.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.